Hi, I am Pankaj Sharma, a trainer, consultant, and program manager. In this video, we will understand one of the most important tools for making investment decisions, net present value or NPV. By the end, you will be able to calculate NPV step by step and know how businesses use it to decide whether a project creates or destroys value. Every business faces this question: should we invest in this project? Cash flows come in at different times, but money today is worth more than money tomorrow. That's where NPV helps. It tells us the project's value in today's money. NPV is simply the sum of all cash inflows and outflows discounted back to today. If NPV is positive, the project adds value. If NPV is negative, the project destroys value. Let's calculate NPV for this simple project. Let's break it down. In year 0, we invest rupees 1000. That's already in today's money. In year 1, rupees 500 comes in. But money 1 year from now is worth less, so we divide it by 1.1. That gives rupees 454.55 in today's term. In year 2, rupees 700 comes in. 2 years later means divided by 1.1 square, which is equal to 1.21. That gives us rupees 578.51 today. Now we add them all up, which is 1000 plus 454.55 plus 578.51, and that gives us plus 33.06. So what is the 10% discount rate we used? It's the cost of capital, the minimum return the company needs to cover its financing cost. If the company can borrow money at 8% or investor demand 12% return, then 10% is chosen as a hurdle. This rate reflects both the time value of money. Rupees 100 today is worth more than rupees 100 tomorrow, and the opportunity cost, what you could earn elsewhere. That's why companies use hurdle rate as the discount rate in net present value calculations. It ensures projects only move forward if they create real value above the cost of capital. NPV is considered more reliable than IRR because it directly measures value in currency terms, not just percentages. That's why CFOs and investors often rely on NPV to guide major decisions. To summarize, NPV is projected profitability of the project expressed in present terms. NPV is equal to present value of inflows minus present value of outflows. A positive net present value means value creation. A negative net present value means value destruction. Always calculate using the right discount or hurdle rate. Thank you for watching. I am Pankaj Sharma, simplifying finance and business concepts for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. In the next video, we will cover IRR in detail.